Hey there. So I got a question on how to run my Selenium program on headless. And I used to run it headless on my Raspberry Pi 2, but for some reason they lack support in something. I think it's something in Firefox. So I you can run it on Raspberry Pi 3 or Raspberry Pi 4, but if you don't have one available, you can simply run it on your laptop or your computer. Because my Windows comes with a program called Task Scheduler, and I believe it runs headless as well. So you don't it doesn't actually open anything up on your computer. It just runs it. And Task Scheduler is located here. If you go all the way down to Windows Administrative Tools and you scroll down, you should see right here, Task Scheduler. Now I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you what I have. Okay, so in Task Scheduler, my program, I created a new program, go to Action, you create a task, but I already had one created here. I call it Post Add, and you can see here it's posting at 3:30 a.m. every day. So I'm gonna double click this, and you can look what I have here. So I have the name, I have the description. It's pretty generic. Run when user is logged on or not. Okay, you can click on that. And here I have the trigger. I have it running every day at 3:30 a.m. Every day in the morning. And if here, this is a tricky part. This is when you have to sort of know. So in the action area, you have to point in program script, you have to point towards the interpreter. So in my scripts, sorry, in my program, I have the Python interpreter, which is the Python, any Python exe file. So you have to run the Python exe file. So it's pointing towards this file, the Python exe, and in the argument section, this is the name of your file that you made on the name of your Selenium file. I have it on Python, so that's why it's py. And here, I'm pointing towards the folder which this file is in. So it's in the automation, my automation folder. And yeah, and then you just click OK. And let's see my conditions. Wake this computer up. Okay, so that's my conditions there. Start only if the following network is connected. Wake the computer up on task. So you can go through this and look on the different conditions. I believe I normally just leave it on default. Um, and yeah, that's it. So if you want to run your program on your Windows computer, you can use this task scheduler to do so. The tricky part is this action part. You gotta get this part correct. Again, the first in the program script, you have to point towards your interpreter, and here in the arguments, you put in the name of your file and start in optional in arguments. That's the name of the folder in which your file is in, and that's it.